Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from Trust Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently moving your Litecoin with ease. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Coinbase Wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged into your accounts. Always double-check that you're using the latest versions, as wallet interfaces might have updated in 2025 for better security. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Litecoin wallet. You'll see your balance at the top. Tap on it to access your assets. Now, select the Send or Transfer option. This is where you'll enter the details for the outgoing transaction. Next, in Step 2, you'll need the Coinbase Wallet address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to your Litecoin wallet, and copy the receiving address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Be careful to get it right to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Coinbase address into the To field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, transaction speeds have improved, but fees can still vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees before hitting Confirm. Once you do, you'll get a confirmation prompt. Enter your PIN or use biometric verification for security. After the transaction is initiated, Step 5. Monitor the status. Use the Blockchain Explorer for Litecoin to track your transfer. It should show up in your Coinbase wallet within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's complete, celebrate your successful transfer. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated on any 2025 regulations. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.